In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your settings. Now navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Disable for the option Wi-Fi, wait for a few minutes and then again enable it. This can refresh the connection. If that does not work, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget this network, reconnect by entering the password again. Likewise, restart your iPhone by powering it off and back on. Next, check date and time settings. For that, navigate to the option date and time. Make sure you have enabled for the option set automatically. Next, reset network settings. For that, click on this option, transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset network settings. Lastly, check for iOS update. For that, head back, navigate to the option software update. If any updates are available, just update your iOS to its latest version, and that's it. These are some fixes for Wi-Fi connected but no internet on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.